Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to lock rows and columns in Excel for Mac. So I'm going to demonstrate how to lock rows and columns with this table that I quickly built off of Amazon bestseller books. I have rank, title, author, and price. You can see here I have top row. All it is I just made row 1 and I just highlighted just so you can visually see that it's the top row. Same thing with the first column. I just put first column right here just so you can visually see that is the first column. So to freeze panes and lock rows and columns, we're going to have to go to view. And then if you go to view, you can see the three options that we have. We got freeze panes, freeze top row, and freeze first column. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the freeze first column. So if I click the freeze first column, all right, let's see what's going to happen. You can see if I go left and right, it's going to freeze column A. Okay, pretty simple. To unfreeze it, you click unfreeze. Now I'm going to freeze the top row. Click that. Scroll up and down. You can see that the top row has been frozen. Okay, then you click unfreeze pane to remove that. Now, if you want to do something more complex and do something from, let's say, the rank or the title, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to actually, let's say that we want to freeze this row and this column. So I will actually have to go click the four winds, and it's going to be doing the whatever touches to the left and whatever touches the top of the cell. So it should freeze this one and it should freeze this one. Let's do freeze pane. You can see the cursor right here or the crosshair. So you can see that row B has been frozen. And if I scroll up and down, you can see that this row has been frozen. So let's try something different. So now let's say that I want to freeze uh, 3 columns. Okay, so to do that, it's something very similar. So I'll click on, let's say D, because I want to freeze these 3. And then I'll hit freeze pane. Now, if you can see, we have frozen A, B, and C. So let's unfreeze this. And we can do the same thing with rows. Let's say that we want to, let's go to 6. Row 6, and we want to freeze up to row 5. So it's going to be frozen here. Freeze pane. And now row 5 has been frozen. And it's as simple as that.